Disney's Enchanted 2, the long-awaited sequel to Amy Adams' 2007 fantasy musical Enchanted. Here's all we know about the Enchanted 2 cast, when Disenchanted will be released, when the Enchanted 2 trailer will be released, and more. Enchanted, which adapted the genre to incorporate both live-action and traditionally animated parodies of archetypal fairy tale princesses, was a smash hit in 2007. It was produced by Disney and pays homage to famous Disney princess musicals like Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and Snow White, while simultaneously satirizing their repeated cliches. With the release of Disenchanted in the fall, the world needs Giselle more than ever. An evil sorcerer pushes Giselle, an animated, traditional princess from mythical Andalasia, into a well in Enchanted. She is unexpectedly cast into a live-action version of herself in New York City, where she is discovered and cared for by Robert, with whom she falls in love instead of her animated Prince Charming, Edward, and his younger daughter, Morgan. The film concludes with the sorceress being defeated, Edward and Nancy returning to Andalasia, and Giselle remaining in New York, married to Robert and establishing a fashion business. Disenchanted picks up 15 years after these events have occurred. The ending of Enchanted opened up a world of possibilities for a sequel in which Giselle navigates the real world without the confines of the Disney princess archetype. Many speculations about an Enchanted sequel have circulated over the years, but nothing was verified until Disney Plus tweeted about Giselle and Amy Adams' formal return on Disney Investor Day in December 2020, announcing the actual title, Disenchanted. According to a tweet from Disney Plus, Enchanted 2 will be released in the fall of 2022. However, the actual day and month are unknown. Disney will most likely unveil the official release date for Enchanted 2 later this year. Enchanted 2 was first confirmed by Disney in 2011. After more than a decade, the studio has reconfirmed Enchanted 2 for December 2020. Finally, some concrete production details have surfaced. Former director Kevin Lima was replaced by Adam Shankman as the film's director. With Shankman's background in musicals and fantasy films like Hairspray and Bedtime Stories, Disenchanted will be in strong hands to continue Giselle's story. There is no official Enchanted 2 trailer release date, but given Disenchanted's fall 2022 release schedule, a trailer should be available sooner rather than later. Along with the unveiling of Disenchanted, Disney stated that the film will be available only on Disney Plus rather than in theaters. Disenchanted began filming in May 2021 and finished in early August 2021. Disenchanted's status and release date have been confirmed by director Adam Shankman. In regards to the Enchanted 2 cast, Disney announced Amy Adams' return as Giselle for Disenchanted back in December 2020 when the project was reconfirmed. Amy Adams hasn't sung on-screen in a long time, and it's a great ability that the actress hasn't gotten to stretch in a long time. Furthermore, it will be intriguing to observe how Adams' background in independent films affects her portrayal of Giselle. So, who else is going to be in the sequel? On March 23, 2021, Enchanted music composer Alan Menken confirmed in his JLBG livestream that Patrick Dempsey will resume his role as Robert Phillip. Perhaps Dempsey will have more opportunities to sing in Disenchanted. Idina Menzel reprises her role as Nancy Tremaine, and James Marsden reprises his role as Prince Edward. Hopefully, Idina Menzel will channel Elsa from Frozen and be able to sing in Enchanted too. Queen Nerissa, played by Susan Sarandon, will not appear. Yvette Nicole Brown as Rosaline and Colton Stewart as Tyson Monroe are among the new Enchanted 2 cast members. Rachel Covey has been replaced as Robert Phillip's daughter Morgan by Gabriella Baldacchino, while Covey will be seen in a historical video. Ruby will be played by Jaime Mays, and Edgard will be played by Oscar Nunez. The majority of these new characters will most likely be from Andalasia or Monroeville. Comedian Maya Rudolph has also been cast as the primary villain, Malvina Monroe, in Disenchanted. Tyson, played by Colton Stewart, will most likely play her son in Enchanted 2. According to the Disenchanted plot synopsis on IMDb, the movie takes place 15 years after the events of Enchanted. Giselle begins to wonder if she is actually happy after her happily ever after marriage to Robert. Giselle, Robert, and Morgan move to the Monroeville suburbs. The princess is forced to cope with all of the grown-up issues that come with seeking a new house and a new place during the process. The self-discovery quandary causes havoc for Giselle's friends and family in both the real world and Andalasia. She will eventually have to accept what happily ever after really means for her family and herself. The long-awaited release of Enchanted 2 provides enough opportunity for inquiry into Giselle's new existence. Given Enchanted's success in flippant fairy tale princess clichés, it's little surprise that Disenchanted would do away with the ostensible happily ever after. Despite the title and Giselle's apparent cynicism in the sequel, Amy Adams has confirmed that the princess will sing and dance even more than she did in the original film. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Are you excited for Enchanted 2? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.